Alright, hey guys, today we are gonna do a color shift. We're gonna start working on my daughter's Toyota Corolla. We are going to do a 6-color shift paint job on it. Gonna fix some of the door dings and this little dent in the fender. Not gonna get too crazy on it. Pretty much just paint it, put some ground effects on it, call it good. And this is a brand new color we're gonna paint this, and I'll show you more on this here in a bit. It's gonna be sweet. Stay tuned, hit subscribe, and check out more of my videos.
Hey, let's go.
Alright, so we got our base coat down. It's got to be black for the most intensified effect. So the car is all done to this point. Now we're about ready to throw the pearl on top of this black base coat, and we're going to use an Intercoat clear. I've never used this Intercoat. It is made by Tamco. So we're gonna go ahead and start mixing this up, and we'll have some fun. And we're gonna try out this KP Pigments. This is a ZRG HYPERSHIFT, and it's a super cool color. I'm really curious what it's gonna look like on this car. This is a brand new color, so that's another bonus, and it shifts like 5 different colors. I'm going to use this Tamco Intercoat, and I've never used this product before. I've used some other Intercoats, but I haven't used Tamco, and I got a great deal on it. Really inexpensive for what it is. So we'll see how it lays down over this black base coat, and then we're going to lay a clear coat after we're done mixing this. So it's a 1-to-1 mix on the base coat, or on this Intercoat. The Intercoat's just like a base coat, pretty much. You're mixing it just like base coat. So we'll go ahead and get this mixing. Lay down the Intercoat first, and I'm going to mix 64 ounces of Intercoat, and then another 64 ounces of the medium urethane reducer. Alright, so we got 25 grams. I'm going to spray this whole gallon here pretty much. So we're just going to dump it in there. That is a really intense color. Now let's see what it's going to look like on. I got a black stick here. I'll just kind of show you those tones. There's a lot on there right now, but it's going to be really intense.
Let's go. Freedom.
Alright, so we're going to use the Tamco Clearcoat, just because I want to keep everything uniform. I'm not really sure how it's going to interact. So this is the clear I'm using. It's the Glamour Clearcoat. Pretty inexpensive, and Intercoat spray is pretty nice, so we'll see how this sprays.
Let's go.
Well, this product laid down phenomenal, looks awesome. This color is unbelievable how many different colors it changes. I'm so impressed with this product. And this color, every time I look at it in a different light, is a totally different color. But guys, hit subscribe, check out more of my videos. I appreciate you watching. Leave some comments below. And thanks.